Hi, I'm Katrina Allemeier, and I teach a bunch of different classes here at Inglemoor. And I'm going to give you a little bit of background on me before I get into any specific classes. Okay, so how did I get here and why am I teaching? Excellent questions, both. So, I grew up in Issaquah and did all my schooling there, went off to UW to get my undergraduate degree, and then went off to Western to get my master's and my teaching certificate. This picture is my brother and I at Salmon Days Festival when we were little kids in Issaquah. Then I did my student teaching here at Inglemoor in 1989, and I helped develop GMI, which is our Good Morning Inglemoor show, and I did video production in my student teaching and speech and English, and I also coached volleyball, track, and bowling. We had a bowling team back then. I also met Mr. Allemeier here, and he was another teacher, and we got married in 1991, and this picture is from fall of 1991. Soon after we were married, I was coaching volleyball, and he was coaching football, and I was a substitute in the district. So I subbed for a few years until there were some jobs opening. There wasn't much open during the time I was doing my subbing, and got a job at Bothell High School. And I taught there for 6 years, teaching various levels of English, cheerleading, and then I was also a track coach there. And then I have been here since 1999, came back here and started out with just English classes, and then slowly picked up the video production and the GMI, eventually moving into some IB classes, so IB film and IB psychology. And then last year I also picked up lifespan psychology, which is just a one semester intro to psych kind of class. I love to teach anything that is visual, hands-on type of subjects. So moving from English into those other subjects was really fun for me. And I love to see the light bulbs go off in students' eyes and minds when they start to figure out, oh, that's why so-and-so does that. And psychology does a lot that for people. And when we do film analysis and video production of film, we start to better understand things too. And I love to see that happen. So that's the how did I get here and why do I like teaching to begin with. Since we are all Inglemoor Vikings, my husband Dave also teaches here, but he also went to high school here many moons ago. And both of our kids also went here. Ashley graduated in 2013 and Gunnar graduated in 2015. And they're all done with college now and off adulting. But we've all been Inglemoor Vikings for a long time here. So leading you into GMI, GMI is a teacher permission class, and so the kids applied to be in the class, or I asked them if they would like to be in the class, and it means that they have had some experience doing video production in some way, shape, or form. Sadly, for last year, most of the video stuff that we did in classes was with just our phones and whatever app they happen to have on their device at home. So this year we're trying to get them caught up in how to use real cameras, real computers, and such. And so we're playing catch up a lot, but going so far, so good. The students will be making features. They'll be making sports features, and then they also get to make some openers to start off our shows, and those are usually pretty fun. And then they will be part of the GMI crew, and so they will be anchors or doing the sports or being kind of the out and about roving reporters and reading script and then editing down their segments to do our news broadcasts that we do 2 days a week. And they'll also be doing some evaluations of each other's shows and each other's projects. And just a reminder that because it is permission only, that if something goes wrong and they aren't getting their work in, then they don't get to come back next semester. So we have to keep kids who actually produce and work hard in here, otherwise we fall apart, and that's no good for anyone. Other helpful information for you to know is we are IMAC based. We're a MAC district and definitely a MAC school. So we've always used iMovie in the past. The district is having problems with that right now. Not really sure the details on that. They have given us Adobe Premiere, which is not something that we've used in the past. A lot of the Adobe products are awesome for doing fun stuff, but it's not fast. iMovie is fast, and because it's a news broadcast, we have a super quick turnaround time, and so we're trying to figure out how we're going to make all this work out right now. We do use Canon DSLR cameras, and it's handy if the kids have their own SD cards. Just a little one like this, maybe 32 gigs would be plenty to get them through. I have backup ones if they don't have one around, but it's handy if they have their own. And also, this is a class that you can get tech prep college credit from if they haven't done so with one of my other classes before. They can get 5 college credits through Bellevue College, and it only costs like $47. And we'll talk about that later in the year, but they just have to get a B or better in the class, and you have to have a B or better in the class to stay in for the second semester anyway, so that should be just fine. And that, I believe, is pretty much it. Oh, we've always gone on a field trip, but field trips aren't happening during COVID right now, so I am not sure if that is something that will be able to happen, but it's always been really cool going to one of the local TV stations and getting some behind the scenes stuff. I have a lot of students that are working in television now and also in other media venues, so kind of exciting for students to see what it's like in the real world. And I believe that is about it. Hopefully you'll get a chance to see one of our GMI shows. Your students will have access to it because it runs through our Drive, Google Drive, and so with their student email, they should be able to access that, and we'll get you a chance to hopefully see your kids in action. They're pretty good. Thanks very much. Nice to meet you all.